This video is going to be a back-to-back test, trying drag radials out on the ZR2 that I just LS swapped. That's if you didn't see the last video, it's an LS3 Stage 2 V2 BTR cam, 3600 stall FTI converter, and a 4L70 out of a Trailblazer. It had Mickey Thompson Baja Legends, and we're going to try Mickey Thompson ET Street SS's on it, front and rear. 3 reasons for doing that. People keep asking me why I'm going to do that. First reason is a lot of events won't let you run a hard tire at the track, tears it up. And I'm probably going to be taking this on a drag and drive late this summer. The other reason is I'm going to be putting nitrous to this, so I don't know if it will dead hook on the Baja Legends like it is now, so it may need it anyway. And the third reason, it just looks sick. Like it looks cool. Like it's awesome. If you don't like that, you need your head examined, because that's cool. So I'm gonna do 2 quarter-mile runs, same day. I already ran it quarter mile, but that was weeks ago. Air's probably maybe a little bit different. I'll keep track of what that is too between the 2 runs. Well, I'll see what they both weigh. I'm not expecting much difference. I really don't know, being that it does dead hook on motor with the all-terrains. If there's any difference, it might be just the weight. One might weigh a little less, but we'll see. That's why I want to do a back-to-back test, just for fun. We'll see what happens. It probably doesn't need 4. 2 would probably be plenty, but I want to be able to just click in 4-wheel drive, make a hit, not worry about shaking the rear tires, axle wrap, all that kind of stuff. I don't know that you could put a traction aid kind of like a Caltrack on a ZR2. The leaf springs are arch pretty good. So I just went this route. I figured the front will pull along, don't have to worry about the axle wrap, or hopefully not. But we'll see. The drag radial is about 60 pounds. I'm trying to keep it from tipping over so it's not exact down to the ounce, but I'd say it's pretty close for comparison. Just shy of 65 pounds for the all-terrain. So a little bit heavier. We'll see if it makes a difference. Well, you can see with the 2 draggy hits, the drag radials make a big difference. Actually more than I was kind of planning. Matched my best with the truck on the drag radials. When I ran that, it did have the all-terrains on it, but it was much better air. So I wasn't really expecting those numbers at all today anyway. And when it launched, it did have a little bounce to it. So I was kind of expecting like, it might be about the same, but it actually spun on the all-terrains and had a little bit of a hop as well. It might be unloading the whole front end, suspension-wise. So maybe you have to limit that down a little bit somehow. Definitely going to check all the suspension stuff out. If you've ever been around S10s, that stuff doesn't last very long. So it's very possible maybe some stuff's wore out. It happens a lot on these trucks. It does have a modified idler from like a 3/4 ton GM truck, because those are always the first thing to get tore up on these trucks, and then ball joints. But as far as really steering is concerned, the stock S10 idler is very weak. This thing used to jump around really bad. The tires would point in at each other. That idler solved most of it. It was really bad, even with the 4.3 and nitrous, which it only went 14.0, and it would buck like a Bronco. So I'll look into that. Maybe there's a little bit to be had there. Pretty happy with the results. I really wasn't expecting much because it seemed to do great on the all-terrains. Like it wasn't bad. But like I said, I'll have to have them regardless if it made it faster or not for the events that we might take this truck to. I'll definitely be doing more with this truck. I'll probably make a few more videos with it. I mean, I don't plan on getting rid of it. I'll probably have this thing till I die. So I'll have more videos up of it later. Chevelle's going back together, so we'll probably do some more stuff with that. We'll see.